So I should try and do that. Hey, how come you get the nice one?
You want it? Here, take it, take it. I'll trade you. Mix up.
We live in the woods, but we just have an 80-year-old man mowing his fucking
We
land.
do live in the fucking woods. He's mowing the fucking woods. I'd mow the dang woods too.
Wait, so you split the other...
Chopping block. Guilty as charged. Hey, that's mine.
I guess I'll use this then, huh?
That's what I was using.